Show you guys what I normally cook. Yeah, this is what I've been craving for actually. So hope you guys are doing well. Kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So today I've been craving for cabbage and beef. This is what my heart needs at the moment. So I thought of just coming here and sharing with you guys on how I make my cabbages and beef. Though I forgot to add potatoes, it would have been really good if I had added potatoes on it, but it's okay. And all the spices that I need are all ready with me. I'm just waiting for the onions to turn a little bit brownish in color, and then I'll be adding everything all together except the coriander. Yeah, coriander is always added on meals when they are ready, so that's why I'm leaving it behind. And by the way, let me know down on the comment section if this is do you love this food? Like, have you ever mixed cabbages and beef? Do you like doing this, or am I the only one who loves this mixture? You know, I used to have it when I was still a kid, and up to now I still love it. And today I woke up really craving for this, and I said, why not? Because today I had a lot of time. Yeah, I wasn't doing anything, I wasn't that busy, and I thought of just making the food that I've been craving for. I keep on stirring until I see the color changes. Yeah, that is why you see I'm still stirring and stirring so that I make sure all the onions turn brown. Like, I want them to cook until they all turn brown. So I have added tomatoes here just after the onions have turned brown. Now I'm able to add tomatoes, and then I will add a little bit of salt here, and then I will also add the what do we call the Royco cubes, and also I will add the garam masala with curry powder. I think when it comes to cooking cabbage and beef, I don't really add a lot of spices, you know. I love spicy food, so with this I'm not going to add a lot of spices. I'm only going to use the Royco cubes, the curry powder together with garam masala. So this is what I'm using. As you can see, I have just added the salt, and then I also added the Royco cubes behind the scenes, guys, because I'm the one who's holding my phone, and it was a little bit hard for me to show you everything. So I'll try and show you a little bit of it, but now we're closing for the tomatoes to cook well, right? That is how I normally do after adding salt in tomatoes, yeah, in the whole mixture, yeah. I'm doing that for tomatoes to simmer. Guys, I've just added the Royco cubes. I didn't really show you the part where I added the Royco cubes because I'm the one who's holding my phone, so I'm trying my best to show you guys. This is beef. I want to add the garam masala a little bit. I don't want too much of it. Yeah, that is enough. And then I will also add the curry powder a little bit. That's enough. So let me add the cabbage. This is the cabbage. Let me put it here so that it can be easier for me to just bake it. And then I've been craving for this mix of food, beef and cabbage, and I just decided to cook it. Yeah, I just decided to cook this today because this is what I've been craving of. Yeah. And then inside I will also add this, the ho-hos and the green chilies. I'll also add on top of it because I just want everything to cook together. I just want all this to cook together, so I'll add everything at once and let it all cook. I hope you can see this, guys, because I'm the one who's holding my phone. Yeah. And then let me... I hope I'll be able to stir it. I wasn't expecting this to be too much. That's why I cooked it in a smaller cooking pot. And you know I can't do it so well because I'm holding my phone. So I need to be quite careful for it not to fall. I hope you guys can see me. I'm just trying my best to show you guys what I normally cook. Yeah, this is what I've been craving for actually, and I decided to cook this today. Let me first take a picture. It looks so good, yeah, for a picture. Let me take a picture of it first. So guys, I've already stirred everything after mixing all the spices, and this is how my cabbage and the beef looks like. I want to like let it like I don't want it to simmer, but let it just cook for a while and then it will be done. So yeah, that is how I normally make my cabbage and beef. And then later on, after all is about to like after all is done, that is when I'll be adding my coriander. Yeah, I've prepared it already. It's just a matter of adding it into my cooked meal. Yeah, so that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. So I hope you guys are doing well. I have just shown you one of my meal prep, how I prepare my cabbage and beef at the same time. Yeah, it was nice seeing you again. I just came back home and yeah, I want to shower before I eat my dinner. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching me, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, bye.